In this video, I'm diving straight into how you can leverage Google Maps and AI chatbots to create a sustainable online income. This isn't about affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or selling courses. Instead, I'm going to show you a real business model that can generate recurring clients and automate your services. First, let's talk about the power of Google Maps. It's not just for finding directions. It's a goldmine for discovering local businesses that need your help. Start by searching for businesses in your area that have a strong online presence, but might be lacking in customer engagement. Look for those with limited reviews or outdated information. These are your potential clients. Next, let's integrate AI chatbots into the mix. There are free tools available that allow you to create chatbots without any coding skills. These chatbots can handle customer inquiries, book appointments, and even follow up with leads, all while you focus on scaling your business. I'll show you how to set one up in just a few clicks. Once you have your chatbot ready, it's time to reach out to those businesses you identified. Craft a personalized message that highlights how your chatbot can improve their customer service and increase their revenue. Don't just send a generic email, make it specific to their needs. Follow up if you don't hear back. Persistence is key. Now let's discuss monetization. You can charge clients a monthly fee for maintaining their chatbot and providing ongoing support. This creates a recurring revenue stream. Additionally, consider offering tiered packages. For example, a basic package could include just the chatbot, while a premium package might include analytics and performance reports. As you start landing clients, automation becomes crucial. Use tools to schedule your outreach and manage your client interactions. This will save you time and allow you to focus on acquiring more clients. However, be mindful of common beginner mistakes. Don't overpromise on what your chatbot can do. Set realistic expectations with your clients. Also, avoid neglecting your existing clients while chasing new ones. Happy clients are your best marketing tool. To recap, you can build a thriving online business by utilizing Google Maps to find potential clients and AI chatbots to automate your services. Start small, focus on providing value, and scale your efforts as you gain experience. This roadmap can lead you to a sustainable income without the complexities of traditional online business models.